Well, go on. No apologies about you guys. So for today's video, we have Tony MATTERHORN. He went live via his Instagram, and this is what he wants to say for those who needs to hear his side of the story pertaining to him and his wife Bella and being a deadbeat dad.
Anybody want to hear my side of the story, go to God, go ask God. Me just show you say people love mix up and people love drama, and my life is my life. Phone life, a phone life. But just one thing more verify to some of the bitter woman them out there, and the ones them we are linked, we want lynch entertainers. Me like looking at people face, cause me not hide from people. The ones them out there to own a bitter woman, and me make on a bitter. Somehow now look upon what happened over the last couple of days and ready for emulate phone life like true phone husband or phone boyfriend or phone baby father or do certain things. I don't feel like everybody is the same. Me not going to elaborate upon my thing. Me always love my wife and me not have nothing bad for say. And me not have no side to say which me not talk my business. You notice me and people, me talk people business and cuss people and class people. Me no class family and me no class loved ones. So you not gonna ever see me do that. Me not do that. You notice every time me and somebody and a beef on the internet, it's always somebody will try fuck themselves with me. But if it's a family member, I don't do such things. So for all you people out there thinking, oh, he might got this him wife and Ray can feel mouth light. Yes, my mouth light. But I'm also intelligent because you feel like it's be a dunce people in a music business from dunce come out. Everybody think everybody dunce. But I just want the people who are having a shitty life. Don't think of me making having a shitty life and then I see some woman making some comment. I saw man stay and I saw them stay. Every time something goes wrong, I don't blame people. So when something goes right, I don't blame nobody. So if you are not looking for to see me, I look old on my face, I look young, you know, see me now have no gray hair. What you do? I up from morning I do some work. I'm tired. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like you're gonna see MATTERHORN disrespect my wife. I'm not gonna disrespect my wife. At the end of the day, you have a lot of women who think MATTERHORN supposed to come and diss up the girl and diss up the girl. Who not gonna deal with phone business. Me not do internal, not do internal affairs. Like you never hear me come out yet and disrespect nobody from my side of the team. I will never do that. Yeah, me died here. You see me roar fresh. So for bloggers and subscribers, you can put up your blog all you want just to get people to put some money in your pocket. At least you can't say MATTERHORN is a bad guy. Because I seen some ladies out there want to label me as the bad guy. Like, for them man, I beat them. For them man, I do that. And them I act like me do them something. You know what I'm saying? You know? Me not gonna disrespect the mother of my kids. Remember, girl give me jacket, me take it. And people say, even though I know I never my fitness still, but me just love kids. People are say, oh, good father, bad father. Someone have some deadbeat baby father, and then you want to put that on me. Me are not deadbeat baby father. Anybody will know me, know say, MATTERHORN, he will spend him last on him kids them. You know what I'm saying? I was never a deadbeat baby daddy. And none of my baby mother them, even if them not like me, them know me I never a deadbeat dad. So that, I want to X out that. And then when I talk about papers, me not think me probably one of the only Jamaican when not business about them something there. From ever since till now. My dad's American was RIP, rest in peace, Mr. Taylor. I bury in Connecticut. I grew up a foreign from a little bit. So them things that no mean nothing to me, because anybody when know me from the 90s know say MATTERHORN play addies, do all of these things. We have a big house, a Connecticut, a family house, a Taylor, and the Taylor residence. I mean, people from Poughkeepsie, New York know MATTERHORN from I was a little youth, so I don't know. Me no business about them something there. You know what I'm saying? I never did. I never care about those things. And look how quickly, don't forget, say, me are the same MATTERHORN that, you remember them did take on my papers and me go back to Jamaica for those couple months and then England, Canada, and then me go so boom, dirty wine, and then give me back my papers and see it? Me da fly. Remember say dirty wine, when dirty wine bust 2007, I didn't get back my papers till 2008. Me stay flying. I never believe in those things. Like, people have the wrong conception of MATTERHORN. Yes, Gandhi. Stunner, you know me good. Anybody when know me good, my clan them know. MATTERHORN never ever run down certain things. Like, me no business about big cars or jewelry and them something there. I never do those things. So, stealing them know me from me a little youth. You understand? So, things where people cherish, I don't cherish those things. You understand? So, just to clear the air, and me, I know I'm deadbeat dad. Everybody know me love my pitney them. Simple. And on another see me come on here and disrespect Bella, I will not do that. Planes will drop out of sky with me. Me not afraid of people. Me just want to know, me now got this my wife, but on a big pussy friend, on a twin pussy friend, Bunty Killer call me name one day, and him know him not supposed to, because me and him is not friend. You understand? So, when me and him buck up, me just straighten him out. I go hire him out. You understand? So big up on yourself and know say, this is not one of them nigga where I go come out and like, what the fuck y'all people think? You know what I'm saying? Like, the whole I wanna sit by and some of them fucking idiots here where turn bloggers on YouTube. Like, you really feel like MATTERHORN is... The last time I checked me intelligent, you know? The last time I checked me just dark and illiterate when it comes on to people who are enemies, who I deem as an enemy. If I don't deem you as an enemy, I will not disrespect. The last female will disrespect me. My friend Daima, but me deem Daima as family. You notice I never come on the internet and answer back what Daima said. Can me say attitude girl, so me can't say nothing bad about Daima. Or me gonna say something bad about Daima. You see me, Purple Star? Oh, me, MATTERHORN, for go say something bad about Daima. When I me say, attitude girl, I send Daima to the world. And Daima come and say a bag of things, I mean never. You notice? I never disrespect nobody who I classified as family. I will never do that, and I never did that before. But any drunkro, any germs, when me not say a family, like on a big pussy friend, with him look a water mouth, move your blood clot, you stink, you want some cologne, I will bring some for you. Yeah. Yes, bitch, I'll bring some cologne for you. You don't smell right. You smell like a goat. You actually look like a goat and smell like a goat. Yeah. So it's there. You understand? That's how it is. I don't care. You understand?